All right, Mr. Arsalan. So you told me about 126, right?
Yes.
Okay. So have you learned that lesson today properly?
Yeah.
Okay, so today, before we start the lesson number 9, we're gonna discuss something about. We're gonna discuss the previous lesson a bit. Okay. Yes, I remember these 3 words. So do you remember something about it?
No.
Nope.
Nope.
Why nope?
Wait, what?
I said, why don't you remember? Because your brain is working. I can guess it now. Try to use it, bro. Huh?
Why my brain is not working?
Okay. Mr. Arsalan Faruqi. Is it your full name? Faruqi.
Not Farooq.
Okay, Farouk, bro.
Farooq 10 times.
Because my brain is not working like you.
Okay, so.
Okay. Listen, Arsalan. So read Auzubillah and Bismillah with your beautiful tone. Come on. Try to read. Try to put as much beauty as you can. Put it in your voice, like this. You can do it. You can copy me, okay? أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Come on, you can do it, bro.
What?
You can repeat after me. I said you can do same as me, okay? Do you wanna hear it again?
Yeah.
Okay. Listen carefully, okay?
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Like this. Okay?
Okay.
Come on.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Wow, that was fascinating, incredible. Okay, so I want you to read this word today. Come on, let's start. How many haraka are here, Mr. Arsalan? Come on.
What?
How many haraka are here?
5.
What?
5.
5.
I said 5.
Panch, okay, you can say panch as well, don't worry at all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exactly, okay. So can you explain to me please? How is it 5?
There's a zipper top on the lip.
Okay.
And there's.
Listen up. Now speak a bit loud. I cannot hear you clearly, okay? So as much loud as you can. You can scream as well, okay? But not like a crazy man. This is like normal, okay? Speak loud. Come on. Explain to me loudly. Come on, bro. You get it?
Okay. There's zipper top on the lip.
Okay.
There's zipper top on the knee. There's a Hamza. There's a ulta fish top on the Hamza. There's zipper top on the dal. There's the top. No. There's a top on the top.
Exactly. That sounds good. Okay, mashallah. So we're gonna read this word, okay? Like this. First of all, I'm gonna go with this word. I'm gonna read this one. Okay, you gotta repeat after me, okay? Not now, after when I complete, okay? So listen up. Hamza lam zabar al mim waw zabar mau al mau Hamza ulta pesh u al mau u dal pesh du sorry dal zabar da al mau u da ta pesh tu al mau u datu. You get it?
Yes.
Okay. So I'm going to tell you something interesting, something incredible, something fascinating, which is like this, which is this. I read this as al maw'udatu. Okay, so imagine if this word comes on the, this is word, okay, so this is gonna come on the sentence. So in Arabic, in the Quran, the sentence is gonna be one verse. Okay, you get my point? And in the verse, the last word of the word Quranic verse, if it comes ta, right, in the last, so you gotta convert this ta to ha, even when it comes to do waqf on it. Okay, like this, al maw'udah. Okay,
الموضوع.
okay, just this is the specific ta. Okay, so while waqf you gotta convert it to ha. Okay, like example, imagine if I'm doing waqf here, I'm gonna be like this, al maw'udah. You get it?
Yes.
Okay, let's start next one. Now your turn to read this word same as me, the way I read. Come on, bro. Come on.
Now,
All right, Mr. Salam. So why don't you know about your brain? You should know about your brain is working, because I can guess. Don't worry, is all. I can guess your brain is it working or
I
not.
need to fix my brain.
You gotta fix.
I don't know if I do or not.
No, your brain is already good, bro. It's working good, and it is good. You know, and that's interesting.